place to really showcase and to make you really understand exactly what's happening out in the world. Now, definitely I can do this kind of an exam right now. Like, who's new to crypto? Raise up your hand. There you go. Who's new to NFT? Raise up your hand. Who's new to blockchain? There you go. Who's new to Dubai? Oh, there. Much better. There you go. All right. Once again, my name is Bassam. I'm going to be here with you today, and of course tomorrow. And we're going to talk as much as we can about anything that has to do with the crypto. Now, definitely your questions are valuable. So if you got any questions, not for me, but for the speakers who are going to come up on stage to talk more about what they have to offer. Now, we have another speaker coming up on stage, and we're going to change a little bit. You see, the part of having these kind of presentations is always we need to mix and match, not every time that we have the same topic. So now we're going to go to metaverse of health and wellness. And when we talk about metaverse, we're talking deep. So we're going to invite on stage the founder of LIMOVERSE Technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Sajeev Nair to talk about the subject. Please. I saw him in the back. I like this. Okay.
Even after knowing this, how many of us really pay attention to this? In fact, we all are forgetting health in the process of creating wealth. Result, this wealth called health gets depreciated with time, and we become unhealthy and broke. Imagine the old proverb becomes a reality. Health is not just wealth. It becomes a valuable asset which appreciates value with time. Welcome to the new world. LIMOVERSE, a global health and wellness ecosystem built on blockchain, where health is truly the wealth. It is money. It is an asset, a new economy where health becomes encashable and tradable. LIMOVERSE stands to empower people to take charge of their own health and well-being, so as to live a long, healthy and productive life, contributing the best to the family, society and the world at large. LIMOVERSE connects the health seekers with wellness institutions and practitioners from around the globe and provides access to world-class products and services offered by LIMOVERSE partner organizations for helping people to hack their own body and mind. Sitting in New York, you can get trained by a yoga acharya from India and get your Mediterranean diet plan done by a dietitian from Italy. LIMOVERSE is inspired by the personal health movement started by Expo, by internationally acclaimed biohacker, wellness evangelist and author of the book The Making of a Superhuman, Mr. Sajeev Nair. Thousands of people have undergone the Expo program and upgraded their health and well-being. Expo means epigenetic lifestyle modification, which is based on personal genomics and metabolic assessments converged using artificial intelligence. LIMOVERSE is taking the personalized health movement to the next level using futuristic possibilities like blockchain, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things and Metaverse. The decentralized ecosystem of LIMOVERSE is powered by LIMO, a powerful utility token which will emerge as the ultimate transaction instrument in the wellness industry. LIMO is creating a wellness economy on Web3, which is decentralized, transparent, global, and governed by the community. As there is only a limited supply of limos in the LIMOVERSE, and as the community gains strength in numbers with higher transaction volume, LIMO is expected to grow its asset value day by day. In LIMOVERSE, you can explore various ways to create wealth by just staying healthy. The sweat pool rewards you with limos every day for the exercises you do. The wealth pool fills your wallet every day when you work towards your health goals with absolute discipline based on limo recommendations. If you are a wellness practitioner, you can own limos for providing your services. People can await products and services from the partner organizations using limos. If you are a wellness evangelist or a transformation coach, you can participate in the creator pool and start earning limos for sharing your knowledge. LIMOVERSE also provides the creators with Launchpad, a highly advanced automated digital marketing platform using which you can create, launch, market and monetize your programs, courses and services. Once you do your rep limo, you get highly curated genomic and metabolic data which you can store in your own private blog. Research companies will reward you in limos for giving limited access to your health data. Games are found to be the best way to inspire people to stay fit. How about creating wealth by playing games? The Gamify project of LIMOVERSE makes you wealthier as you become fitter. LIMOVERSE becomes the metaverse of health, when you can experience this new world using augmented reality, virtual reality, extended reality devices. You can do yoga in Hawaiian beaches, meditate sitting in the middle of a jungle, do sessions in the space. Experience all these sitting at home, using the power of metaverse. LIMOVERSE is not just a blockchain-based ecosystem. Limo is not just another utility token. We are going to witness the biggest revolution in the health and wellness, where people are empowered physically, mentally, spiritually, and financially to take charge of their own health and well-being. Join this new world, this new economy, and start living a life of health, wealth, and happiness.
Thank you. Check it one. Thank you so much. And I just want to welcome all of you to a world where you can actually make or monetize health. Literally. That's what we are doing in LIMOVERSE. So you have got an idea from the video. That's why we played the video in the beginning. Our background is, it's not like we're getting into a green field. We have been in the health technology. We have been in the wellness industry for the last 20 years and health technology and personalized health for the last 2 years. And now we have been working on a project called personalized health based on epigenetic lifestyle modification. I don't want to get into that details, that'll be too complicated. But interestingly, we found that the personalized health, which is considered as a health 5.0 by WHO, which can be achieved by knowing or knowing about your actual details, your cellular level details, using genomic testing and also metabolic analysis. We have been doing this for the last 3 years in India, and combining that data using artificial intelligence and coming out with highly personalized lifestyle modification plans. And our many of the dietitians, fitness trainers, even hospitals, yoga studios, they have been using this as a backend where they could provide personalized health, personalized diet plans, personalized fitness plans to their clients. That's where we found a brilliant opportunity to bring out an ecosystem for wellness, whereby we can host all these partners on one platform which is decentralized, so that each of those partners can maintain their own identity. At the same time, they are being powered by a very powerful technology. That's the genesis of LIMOVERSE. I just want to take you to the slide so that we can save time. Primarily, when it comes to LIMOVERSE, we have solutions for some of the chronic pains in the society when it comes to healthcare. We have taken this first statement, which is true for the world. A middle-class family is just one hospital away from poverty. I took this from a post done by a lady who was a software engineer, and she, at the age of 32, suffered from a stroke, and she was hospitalized. After 9 months, she lost everything. She lost jobs, she lost money, and then she was in the village. And then from there she made the post that a middle class family is just one hospital bill away from poverty. And this has become true during the COVID times. We have all seen that. People understand the value of maintaining good health. People understand the value of preventing health right now than any other time. I would rather say primarily because of the COVID-19. People are realizing the fact that wellness is cheaper than illness, but they don't know where to go and how they can achieve it. To manage diseases, we have hospitals. To manage health, where do we go? It's a question, common question globally. Staying motivated on wellness programs, because people enroll into fitness programs, diet plans, but staying motivated is a big problem. So we identified these 4 facts which are true globally. And now we have found some specific problems and solutions. Let us look at some of the problems we found. Life expectancy is increasing. The average life expectancy globally, if you look at it, it is touching around 75 to 80. That means people are living long. Or I don't know whether I should be able to say that people are dying long, because they are being detected with one or other lifestyle disease at the age of 45 or 50. They're extending, I would rather say, their death. So people are living long, but they don't have the energy, they don't have that kind of productivity or creativity. So how can we prevent those diseases? Whereby any which way, the medical science has advanced to the extent that people, you can live long. So how can you make it more productive? Solution we offer is knowing about diseases well in advance and modifying lifestyle to prevent or postpone diseases. Now, second problem what we identified was cost of healthcare is on a high. So what is the solution? Solution is self-care using, I'm not talking about self-medication, I'm talking about self-care, using own health data and advanced devices to prevent diseases. Third problem which we identified was tough to stay motivated. Tough to stay motivated on following diet and fitness plans. You check with any fitness center, they will say that, every first of the year, January 1st, they get the maximum number of registration. And after 3 months, it drops to 75%. Okay, so staying motivated on a diet plan, on a fitness plan is a big challenge. Now, how about getting rewarded to stay healthy? Making wellness activities using gamification. That's what we found as a solution. Making fitness a fun. Making fitness help somebody to make money. Wellness is unorganized because we know about wellness. There is yoga, there is meditation, there is so many different streams, especially if you look at India, we have Ayurveda, naturopathy, so many different streams which are getting global acceptance. But there is no coherence. And how about bringing all of them on one platform where there is no contradiction, which is decentralized, each one of them can opt for their own processes. So this is the value proposition we have, an ecosystem which supports people to take charge of their own health. We provide tools, education, services through LIMOVERSE to help them to biohack. Use the word biohack means hacking your own biology so that you can live a long, productive, healthy year. Now, people have the option to connect with wellness practitioners from around the globe through LIMOVERSE. Creator economy, you must be knowing that's a $105 billion economy last year. That means all the YouTubers, all the Facebook, whoever is making any money from all these kinds of social media, all put together was $105 billion last year. Around 500 million people are participating in the creator economy. Only about 5% people are making money out of it. And the rest of the people are still making videos thinking that one day they would be able to make money. And 95% of the creator economy is mainly contributed by entertainers. Now, we realize that in wellness, if we really wanted to create a global wellness revolution, we need to have education. We need to have the wellness practitioners, the yoga practitioners or dietitian. If they can come out and start talking, and if they're going to be rewarded for that, why not? So that is where we are actually looking at creator economy, where LIMOVERSE is going to give a space for all the wellness or practitioners to make money out of the content. Now, integrated and holistic approach as various streams of wellness practices, we are bringing it together. Powered by the most advanced technology for personalized health we have, because we have an EPLIMO, which is called the epigenetic lifestyle modification, which we combine with LIMOVERSE. Motivation to assess and store personal health data. Imagine, I don't know how many of you know that Right now, it is $16 billion industry, which is called health data storage. Digital health data storage industry is a $16 billion industry, which is expected to touch $48 billion by 2026. Who makes money? I think all those people who are having the data, maybe the hospitals, maybe the diagnostic labs. How about each and every individual is empowered to create that money, generate that income? So we provide every user to have their own personal data, personal health data, stored in a private block using Hyperledger technology, so that they can sell or they can give access of their data to the research companies, and they can monetize it. So that itself is a big revolution. In fact, the blockchain crypto space, if you look at it, there are 3 very successful tokens which only operates on this health data storage space. So especially private health data is going to be very, very important. Now, staying fit is money. Users are motivated to stay fit using gamification. So these are the value propositions what we are using. Here we go. There are 6 factors which we have, thanks to our courtesy to the Future of Health report, which has come out from the Deloitte, one of the top 5 consulting companies in the world. They predict that by 2040, preventive health and wellness will be contributing 60% of the entire healthcare industry. Right now it is only 20%. So that's the level of growth this industry is going to take. 6 factors they have identified. One is data sharing. We are there. We allow people to store their data and share their data with research companies and monetize it. Number 2, interoperability. Once you have your data on your private block, with the same data you can actually do many devices. We can actually bring in IoTs, the interoperability becomes possible. Equitable access, that's what we said in the video. Somebody who is sitting in the US, they can make a diet plan made by a dietitian sitting in the Mediterranean, for a Mediterranean diet. So like that, there is no boundaries exist in this world. Empowered consumers. Our overall objective of LIMOVERSE is nothing but to empower people to take charge of their own health. Behavioral change, yes, that's what the most important thing when it comes to maintaining your own health. It is behavioral change. That means how I can get disciplined on maintaining a diet plan, how I can get disciplined on maintaining a fitness plan, which we make it happen through monetizing, through rewarding using the cryptos. And scientific breakthrough. Of course, we are a scientifically driven company. So scientific breakthrough is our plan. Next. So ultimately, we are a convergence of 6 upcoming trends we are already using in our LIMOVERSE. That's personal genomics. We are helping people to collect their genomic data, DNA analysis. Artificial intelligence. Generally, we do this personal genomics through third parties. That means, we have a concept called LIMOVERSE partner organizations. So, but we provide the entire backend. Artificial intelligence to create a highly personalized lifestyle modification plan. IoT, blockchain, Web3, because it's going to be completely decentralized, and gamification. Yeah, we have a very strong team behind it. I just want to flip through this because we have lack of time. Please go ahead. Okay, this is the nutshell about this, our ecosystem. If you look at it, there is some, you can see that the yellow, the golden line shows all the kinds of partners we're going to have. The doctors, the spas, the dietitians, fitness trainers, and the blue line shows the entire projects we are having. That is the Healthify project, we have creator economy, we have personalized health data storage, sweat and earn model. So I'll just touch upon each of this project, for the next 2 minutes. Yeah. So 7 ways to create wealth using the blockchain crypto space. Get rewarded for modifying your lifestyle. We provide people, it is not compulsory though, but those people who are interested in creating their own personalized health data, they can store it and they can implement the lifestyle modifications which our experts tell them. We have a lifestyle coaches pool, they tell them a lifestyle modification plan. When they implement it, we have a scientific way of assigning or awarding LIMOs, which is our token, which every day when they complete every activities. Sweat and earn. We are already tied up with two major wearable company. Officially it's not signed, that's why I'm keeping quiet about the brands. So you have the wearable, we have the LIMOVERSE, we will be capturing the data. You walk, jog, run, swim, cycle. Any of the activities will be capturing the data, and based on that you will be gaining points, and based on the points you will be awarded limos every day. Play games and earn. You can create your avatar on the mobile app. Once you have created your avatar, we have already done a sync between your physical activity with the strength of the avatar. So you do your physical activity, you strengthen the avatar, make the avatar go for games, and the avatar will be earning every day limos for you. That's where we have combined fun with fitness. Creator economy is mainly intended for anybody who is a wellness evangelist. Can be a motivational speaker, life coach, can be a yoga trainer, can be a dietitian, anybody for that matter. They can create their content, we provide the platform, they can promote their content, and we support them in terms of providing, awarding them with limos, one, and two, they put the content in our platform and they push it to the social media, and once people see that, there will be a bar on which they can actually put their impact value. That means you watch the video and what kind of impact that video has created on you. That means the viewers, the public will be measuring the impact of the video. Based on the impact value, you will be getting limos every day. And earn your health data. As I told you that you can store your health data, your genomic data, your all the data, whatever health data you want, on a private block, and you can give access to the research companies and really make big money. It's a $48 billion industry, by the way. And staking rewards, of course, we have, just like any other major crypto projects, we do have some exciting staking rewards. Right, I'll just tell you where we are right now in terms of the tokens. Limo trading, of course, that's another way to make money. Now, next. So this is the roadmap. We are just started. We are just in the, I would rather say, the private sales round. We are just starting in April 1st. So the white paper is out. You can check on limoverse.io. Limoverse.io is our website. You can see the white paper. LIMOVERSE official launch, presence in Expo, Foundation Corporation. All those, the first phase, second phase, you can see that this is the roadmap which is there in the white paper. You can very well refer the white paper next. In short, we are going to be part of 5 major fast-growing multi-billion-dollar or trillion-dollar industries. One, from the right, I would say wellness genomic industry will be a $12.8 billion industry by 2028. I'm not talking about genetics, I'm talking about pure wellness genomics, preventive genomics. Healthcare gamification market is going to be a $47 billion market. We are there. Health gamification, not gamification, health gamification. Wearable technology market is a $118 billion market. We are there. By 2028, you can expect that this industry to be touching $118 billion. Digital health records market, yes, we are already there. $48.2 billion is the expected global turnover by 2025, and the creator economy market is already a $100 billion market. So, in short, what we are talking about is that the token and the project has got such a huge growth potential. And I welcome all of you. We have a stall out here, 13, stall number 13, LIMOVERSE. Come over there. We have some exciting, offers for you, exciting bonuses, whatever, exciting gifts for you waiting there. Please come over, talk to our people out there. So thank you for the time. So I wish all of you to have an exciting time ahead with a lot of health and wealth. Thank you so much.